Hello everyone. In this video on soft computing, fuzzy logic, we will start with fuzzy logic, the definition of it and the difference between fuzzy and crisp logic. We will also see fuzzy set, what is membership function, what is the process of fuzzification, what is defuzzification and the methods of defuzzification, that is max membership method, centroid method and weighted average method. So let's get started with the video. Now what is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is a multi-valued logic. This means that usually in crisp logic we have binary values, right? So 0 and 1 are the only two values present in binary values. That is binary logic, or you can say crisp logic. But in fuzzy logic we have values in between also, that is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Any kinds of values in between, they are also present in this kind of logic, right? So logic may have two values, that is 0 and 1, or yes and no, or true and false, etc. This represents two solutions, right? But here in the case of fuzzy logic, things are kind of fuzzy, that is they are hazy, which simply means there are no clear yes and no solutions, but there can only be multi-valued logic numerical values, that is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. If you observe and think about it, then you can understand that it's making the logic of human thought and human nervous system, right? When you say I need a little bit of sugar, then you are not specifying what quantity of sugar you want, right? For example, if you need sugar, you don't specify the quantity of sugar you want, you only say that I want a little bit of sugar, right? So it's kind of human nature to measure things in context of this fuzzy way, right? This is a flexible machine learning technique, this fuzzy logic, and is suitable for uncertain or approximate reasoning, right? And exact reasoning can be understood as a limiting case, right? So the binary logic or crisp logic is only a limiting case of this fuzzy logic, right? So from 0 to 1 you have values in between, right? And 0 and 1 are included. But when you take the boundary case of only 0 and only 1, then you are having a subset of this fuzzy case, that is a crisp case, right? So moving on, any logical system can be fuzzified. Knowledge is interpreted as a collection of elastic or equivalently fuzzy constraints on a collection of variables. What they want to say is that knowledge is based on this fuzzy way of interpreting things, right? And fuzzy set. So what is a fuzzy set? In mathematical term, let X be a non-empty set and A is a fuzzy set. A in X is characterized by its membership function mu of A. This symbol is mu of A, such that X belongs to this 0, 1 range, right? Where mu of A, X is the degree of membership, right? How much this X belongs to this range 0, 1 is the membership function, right? Of how much the degree of membership of element X in a fuzzy set A for each X belonging to this. This symbol belongs to symbol, right? Membership function. It maps the elements of a fuzzy set to real numbered values in the interval 0 to 1, right? So moving on. So this membership function, guys, is very important. It means that how much this element X is part of this set A, the degree to which this small x member belongs to this complete set A is known as the degree of membership, right? So moving on. Fuzzification. Now what is fuzzification? The process of transforming crisp or binary values into linguistic values is called fuzzification, right? So the conversion of this binary values into linguistic values is known as fuzzification. In the similar way, the opposite of this process, right, converting linguistic values into binary values is known as defuzzification, right? So let us see the steps of fuzzification right now. Steps of fuzzification. Input values are translated into linguistic concepts which are represented by fuzzy set, right? So what we get in the output is a fuzzy set, right? And what we give in the input is a binary value. Membership functions are applied to the measurements and the degree of membership is determined, right? So you have to determine the degree of membership, otherwise it will be difficult to grasp the concept of this fuzzification, right? And defuzzification, I already told you this, the conversion of linguistic values back into crisp logic or binary values is known as defuzzification. It converts the fuzzy values into crisp or binary values is known as defuzzification. Example methods of defuzzification are max membership method, centroid method, and weighted average method. This I will explain this with an example in a later case. And in the next video we will see the operations on fuzzy set, that is intersection of fuzzy set, union, intersection, complement, equality of fuzzy sets, fuzzy control systems, fuzzy inference systems, limitations of fuzzy systems, etc. will be covered in the next video. So guys, stay tuned with this channel and thank you for watching everyone. I will see you in the next video.